going?
An idiot.
If you want to merge over though, mate, in fairness, what was the point of that? Seriously?
Responsibilities, and then shortly before 12 o'clock send them away to ask them to provide answers to 18 questions in a questionnaire to assess suitability. Dear. Some of those questions included if they knew anyone on the who was there.
This hasn't worked, has it?
What I'm trying to do is I'm talking about just I'm trying to get people to understand why.
No, I get that.
Hey, mate.
When you bottled it, you didn't have support from your Conservative college.
No, I don't know about I don't know about that, and you know, anyway, there's no point crying over spilt milk. The point is to
Secretary and Liam Fox's international trade. In that time, no satisfactory arrangement for leaving the EU was reached.
You got far, didn't you?
Is it not time to admit that the Brexit...
Another 6. It's his first chance, of course, of bat at number 3, and he's making the most of it. 42 not out from 58 balls, and he made 102 for 2.
And the cricket social has just started.
Oh, she's loud for a 1.2. Either that was a hole in the exhaust.
going.
I really don't think he should be driving that.
Why, is it mashed at the front?
It's making, I don't know if it's mashed at the front, but it's making some very odd noises. I think the reason he's driving so slowly is because he's a bit broken.
Is he broken, is he?
I think he's a bit broken.
Okay.
I think it's a bit mashed.
Broken, isn't it?
You chose to come this way, so stop. Yeah, I just can't believe that. God. You reckon I fucking stop anyway?
Yeah.
Get off your phone, mate. Put that down. Go! Put your phone down. Put your phone down, man.
I don't think he's going to let you in, mate, if I'm honest. Yeah, he's not letting you in. Let the brewing man through. It's a brewery. It's important. Although he got that lane completely wrong.
Did you dream about this?
No, absolutely not.
Oh,
What
you
did you
look
dream
like a
about?
bus, don't you?
Oh, probably.
You know your rear lights ain't on? No, they're not on, mate. Just like this dude's. Huh? No, they're not on, mate. Your back lights aren't on.
None of them?
No. Just your brake lights are. Your normal running lights aren't on, mate.
Alright mate, thank you.
No worries. And you'll have to wait.
She's off. Oh, where around me to only go off? She could have just sat behind me for literally about 10 seconds. Hey, cool. You done that then, right, didn't you, you colourblind twat? Haha, nice. The taxi number. Number of the beast. Yeah. Pizza delivery from an Audi A4. It's different.
And I mean really like.
Uncertainty, so it's not a pretty picture.
And I know you're very worried about the state of Italian banks.
Italian banks, yeah, and there is, you know, the Italian banking system.
With Brexit in the way it wants, many of the current crop of MPs will go back to their constituencies with their tails between their legs. Many will not be seen again.
But it has primarily benefited white children and not being children.
But how could
He's off.
that be?
He needs the loo.
Well, I mean, this is the thing that David Lammy in his report said, that it